up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl, Gabrielle Love. If you didn't know, if you're new, welcome. Welcome, honey. Welcome to my space. So look, Happy New Year, first of all. It is year 2023. I am wishing all of the abundance, blessings, prosperity, money, health, wealth, career, all of that. I am sending love to you right now. Like I say, if nobody told you they love you today, I love you. I was not going to do a video today because I really don't have a lot going on, but we're just gonna do it anyway. We just gonna do it anyway. I need to edit. I really need to figure out how I'm gonna practice up, because my arm is getting tired, okay? My arm is getting tired of holding this. I need a portable or a handheld, what is that called? Handheld phone thing for your camera. We need to figure that out. Find somewhere on Amazon. Y'all see my plush pillow back there? Shout out to my cousin who talked me into getting that big ass pillow, grown as hell, with the pillow. We're not gonna talk about it. But so today is January 1st, 2023. And we are going to my godmother's house. I'm going to go to Bath and Body Works, and I gotta pick up George from the airport. I kinda wanna go look for some baskets at Goodwill, but I don't think we're doing that today. I don't think I want to do that today. But our first stop is putting on some clothes, because first step, put on some clothes, grab something small to eat, and then we're going to Bath and Body Works. Yes, so that's gonna cover the camera. Yes. Blue is back. Hey, Blue. You want to say hey to everybody? Oh, Mom don't got no. Y'all will see him in a minute. Again, Happy New Year. I hope that you had a wonderful evening last night, and get ready, go for a wonderful 2023. All right, I will see you guys in a minute. Oh, no, you didn't just walk away. Walk away, Blue. He got his hair cut before the new year. Added to his little mohawk or whatever. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Ted. Look, I'll start jumping in a minute. Hey. Okay, this is outfit of the day. All right, just got some Air Force Ones on. Nothing spectacular. Blue shirt. Leggings. One day, I'm gonna pop out of here with a bomb ass outfit on. Y'all hear me? But I'm just real smegular-degular. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it, honey. Yes, let's get into it. Can't even say the word. Maybe we should go run through the car wash, because I got all type of stuff on my car, and yeah, we're gonna go run through the car wash real quick.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell you what I need. But yeah, I really need time. I really need Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot pray. I need to find relief. But behind my mind, it runs. All these nights I've double need. I need to give up my babe. I need to be on my lane. I might running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then he tries to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need my dog. I need to free my dog. I really need your dog. I need to free my mind out. I really need your dog. I need to free my dog. I really need your dog.
Done with Bath and Body Works. Let me tell you something, they'll get you. First of all, the scents that I want, nothing I ever want, is ever on sale. I don't want no flavored. I don't want no seasonal scents. I don't want none of that. Child, I get to the rest of this. She's talking about $82. $82. 5 for $27. 5 for $27. That's like $50. How you get to $80? She said, well, you had 14. So I'm paying full price for 4? No, ma'am. Ain't enough smelling in the world to do that. We gotta take them off. I had $15 in a gift card and a coupon for $10 off 40. If you spend 40 or over, who about to? No, I'm not even supposed to be in this store. Anyway, we got it. I'll show you what I got when I get home. Now we're gonna get something to eat. Okay, so I am back home from my adventure today. I'm supposed to be cooking this salmon. I had to let this salmon thaw out. And we're gonna do salmon, rice, and broccoli. Or just mixed vegetables. So take this out. So let's talk about, y'all. While I was at Kroger, I had a very heart-wrenching experience. So as I am in Kroger, I have two guys. An African-American man comes up to me and says, hey, my family's having issues. Can you help me out? Tell him no. He just walks away. A Caucasian man comes up to me with Pampers in his hand. Hey, I need $4. I'm short $4. He has money in his one hand, couple of dollars, and I'm looking in my purse, and all I have is a 10. I give him the 10, and he snatched the 10 from me. That alerted me, because anybody who is grateful and really needs something, they're not going to snatch it from you in the manner that he did. So I keep scrolling, and I'm upset with myself because I have now helped somebody other than an African-American male. Two of the same stories. That hurt me so bad. So I'm looking around for the black male, and as I'm looking around, the other guy is like looking back at me. But you know how somebody does one of those, I'm looking to see if you looking, and I'm quickly turn my head. Real suspicious, real shaky. And so I continue to walk. I'm looking in the store for the African-American male, trying to, hey, like, you know, what you need, whatever. But as I continue to walk, the guy comes up to me again. He says, hey, I'm just need $4. Same package, everything. I said, you just came up to me. No, I didn't. I said, I just gave you $10. No, I don't have it. It dropped. And I got so upset. And for multiple reasons. One, I didn't help my own people out. Two, you took from me like you played on people in an environment and in a time where times are hard for everybody. And for you to walk around like that with the baby stuff in your hand, like, bruh, you don't, what? Really? So it just kind of, that bothered me a lot. And I was really upset that if the first guy, which is African American male that came up to me, really needed help, I just discounted him and gave it to somebody else who stole from me. So I will never give money to anybody. That's a quick story. Cause that was just, and then you came up to me and asked me again. Like I don't like that's how I know you playing. If that's not a clear sign, you playing. Like I know times are hard. But not like that. You didn't have to do it like that. So that's what happened. But on to better news. Let me show you what I got from Bath and Body Works and Kroger. So one thing about me when it comes to smells, I like to enter into each room with a different smell because it has a different vibe. Right? My kitchen should not smell how my bedroom smells. My bedroom should not smell how my living room smells. And so on and so forth. So, that's just to give you a disclaimer. A medication. Okay, so, this Ivy Rose. I'm going to put this in the guest bedroom. This is very subtle. The rosewater ivory is very subtle. And it's a very nice calming scent. I love calming scents. So I got 2 of those. And then I tried, where is the rest of this warm? So normally I get Lakeside Morning or the sun dried linen, and I really did not want to put that in my living room this time, and they didn't have the Lakeside Morning, so I tried this Warm Ocean Breeze, and that Warm Ocean Breeze has a very it kind of has like it's a strong soft smell, very strong soft smell. It's one, let me see if I can open it. It's one that has a bit of fragrance that smells kind of like perfume and cologne, but it's a neutral smell, universal. Yeah, kind of it has a little hit of spice to it too. Yeah, and it really smells like mint cologne, just to be honest with you. But it has like that hint of spice. I'm excited about this one. I've never had this one in my house before. Warm Ocean. These tops are always, yes, Warm Ocean Breeze. Okay, so I got 3 of those. And then, I'm really excited about this. The limoncello. Smells like lemon. Either I do pound cake or the lemon. This lemon, I bought this Glade This right here. This paired with this, when I tell you, you will have a fresh scent in your home. Love it. I'm getting ready to put these in right now. Okay? Right now. Let me put this back because then I got 1,000 Wishes and In the Stars. Now, what I'm upset about with Bath and Body Works is y'all changed the color of this 1,000 Wishes. And it used to be like a kind of a little bit lighter than this. Yeah, a little bit lighter than this. I couldn't even find it when I was in the store. Like, why y'all do that to us? But I mixed 1,000 Wishes and In the Stars together. Perfect blend. And so I have 3 in my room, and I use more of In the Stars because it's more of a perfume, like more, it's a stronger fragrance in my opinion than 1,000 Wishes. So I use more of the stronger and let the softer one blend in with it. It's a great blend. And I think that is it for, oh, and I got the traditional laundry day for the area in my laundry room. That's it. I just got finished doing my nails. I did this purple color and I used the chrome on top of it. I've been doing my own nails for a long time because it's just really expensive, honey. And if I can do what they can do, we ain't, I'm not paying you to do something I know that I can do. I don't sat here and watched y'all long enough do my nails. And yeah, so right now I am just filing down to make them look like they are actual full sets. This is something new that I am trying because they have that little gap and space in between.